Would you book from your own website? 85% of potential clients check your website before they ever call, and they're deciding if you're the one in about 3 seconds. If your site is slow, confusing, or hard to book from, they're gone. They'll just Google the next salon. GlamSite makes sure that those 3 seconds count. You get a stunning mobile-first website that reflects your brand. Fast loading so clients don't bounce. A clean service menu that makes it easy to see what you offer and book, with descriptions, pricing, and timing all laid out clearly. But it's not just beautiful, it's working for you behind the scenes. Glammatic AI analyzes what people in your area are actually searching for. Terms like balayage near me or keratin treatment downtown, and it automatically writes and updates content on your site to help you show up at the top. You don't need to understand SEO. You don't need to write blog posts. The system handles it all for you. And it's not a one-time thing. Glammatic AI keeps learning. It's tracking what's trending in your area, what competitors are ranking for, and it's adjusting your content to stay ahead. And when someone visits at 10 p.m. with a question, our front desk assistant, powered by Glammatic AI, answers instantly. It knows your services, your pricing, your availability. No more losing leads because no one was there. The chatbot can answer FAQs, it can recommend services, it can even guide visitors towards booking, all while you sleep. Salons with optimized websites see up to 30% more bookings. That is your website doing its job, bringing in clients while you focus on the ones already in your chair. Do you want a website that works as hard as you do? Book a demo today.